Hello and welcome to Caldera Creative Creations. My name is Roxana. Today we are making an easy to make spring wreath. We are working with tulips and some ribbons. So with that said, come on, let's get this started. We are working with our 16-inch grapevine wreath. We got these beautiful greeneries. We also got these florals. We got these purples. Recycle. We got some beautiful tulips. And we got like, I think the 100-inch burlap with lace ribbon. And let's move these to the side and let's get this started. Okay, and we also got some wiring for our ribbon. Put that there so I don't lose it. Okay, first things first, let's get this greenery on. This is going to be dramatic, so we're going to kind of put it to the side. Put some to the top. And we're going to go down here. We're going to do the same. We're going to put some, stick some out, Like I said, you can use your glue gun to keep them permanently on there. Be careful with that glue gun though. Then we're going to get these and we're going to stick these ones out like this. Get some dramatic going in here. This is going to be a beautiful, spectacular spring wreath. They're going to be looking like, wow, beautiful thing on the door. Okay, all your neighbors are going to be admiring it. Then we're going to get these white florals and we're going to do the same thing. Blend them down. You see, I think this one's gonna go right here. We'll scoot over a little bit. Okay, and this one's gonna come over here. Okay, look at that. Scoot this over just a little bit now. Balance here. Yeah. And we're gonna get this one up here. Look at this. Wow, let's get those long flowers in your wreath and look how beautiful it makes it. Burst this out. Put this a little bit down more, Mama. Okay, look at that. We got one more, but we're going to save that. We're going to start getting into our tulips, everybody. Look how that is looking right now. How beautiful. Look at it hanging down. Ooh, okay, let's get these all up in here. Look at that. The coloring. Brings out your wreath also. Look at that. Let's mix the colors out, the tulips. There. Let's work around and be creative and visualize, and you will come out with such a beautiful item, There, look at that. Okay, another one right here. Make room now because we're going to have the ribbon right here, so I'm going to work around that. I think we're going to get one of these beauties right there. Wow, everybody, look, it's so beautiful. And we're going to work our way down here. Also, we're going to get dramatic and get them out like that. Ooh, this one's looking pretty. Pretty. First one, wow, look at that. This is how the colors make it come out so, just burst out. Started with a wreath, started with a grapevine wreath, and now look what we got, everybody. Just so beautiful. So easy to make, Wow, look at that, Mama. Beautiful. Okay, we're gonna, we got that. Let me see. Go like this. And we're gonna stop right there. I think I'm gonna put the ribbon on now. Then we'll go on with those. Okay, this is our ribbon. Let's scoot over. Like over. We're gonna leave some down so we can make our little loop thing. How much do I have? Okay, here we go. One. Like this. Excuse me, everybody. I'm getting it. Okay, we'll just put it down like this. Okay, get it like this. Then we're going to start right here. We're going to just start our loops together like this. I think they're like 12 inches. Yep. Let's put it together. Face it. Grab the other side. What side was that? Grab the other side and twist it like this. Turn it. You see? And see if they're the same size. Yep, a little too big. Then we're just going to get the other one and put it right here. Look. Wow, look at that. See how simple. Get this out of whoop. And put it in like that. Look at that. How easy was that? Look at it, buddy. I'm learning too. I'm before I do know how to do these ribbons. But look at that. See, we're all learning together. That's why it's so fun to be here with you guys. Yes, indeed. Okay, here we go. Then you get your wiring. Get your wiring. Get the thicker wire, but not too thick, so you can work with it with your hands. See, this is thin. And it's there. See, look at that. How beautiful. Okay, it's going to look beautiful. Let's put it on our wreath. Make sure the wiring is kind of long so we can attach it to our wreath and get it. Get this, and we are just going to tie it in the back, twist it. Okay, put it tight. There we go. Okay, there's some more wiring. Now we're going to, oh, look at this. How beautiful. Straighten out the ribbon. Like that, puff it out, and we got a beauty going on right here. Look at that. Hey, made a ribbon. Okay, now we're gonna get down with our other colors. How's that looking, everybody? Woo! Let's get these purples going. You've probably seen these in some of my videos, but like I said, recycle your florals. You know, you could use them in all different throughout the year. Look at that. So beautiful. Look at that. A couple, just a bit of the purple does. Let's get some right in here. Wow. Okay, we got one more of these. Where do you think this one should go? Right here. Let's get some dramatic going on the side, everybody. And I think we got it. Let's use us. Ay, my nail came off. Bloopers. Okay. Wow, look at this, everybody. Hey, let me fix my camera so everybody could see it. Get my handy dandy ribbon twister also. Let me see it. Zoom in. Look at that. How beautiful. Look at that. Okay. Now we're going to get our handy dandy ribbon twister. We're going to twist some of this to make it more spectacular. Look at that. Get in there and twist it and look at, ooh, beautiful. Gonna get some of this little part and put it in and twist it. How is that, everybody? Once again, thanks for coming to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this time making wreaths with me. I enjoy you guys' company like always. I'm so happy to be here with you guys. And once again, have a great day. Get that smile on. And if you enjoyed or liked my video, consider subscribing or share it with your neighbor or friends. And once again, thank you for helping my channel grow. I appreciate you all. Till the next one. Have a great, beautiful day. Look at that. Thank you.